Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. Former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir and President's People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti has said that ruling Bharatiya Janata Party was tearing apart the very spirit of India to build its organization in furtherance of its vindictive and fanatic political agenda. Mehbooba was addressing workers' convention at the Rajouri for the first time after the abrogation of special status of the erstwhile state.
वो जम्मू कश्मीर को खून खराबे से बाहर निकालना चाहते थे और जब उनको मौका मिला, मुझे याद है मैं यहाँ कोटदाड़ा, बलजराला और कौन सी जगह है, फतेहपुर, फतेहगंज, दरहाल, तोपा, कोई जगह ऐसी नहीं जहाँ मैं नहीं गई हूँ जब हालात खराब थे। मगर जब मुफ्ती साहब जब हमने पीडीपी बनाई तो हमने लोगों को बोला कि हम जम्मू कश्मीर को इस मुसीबत से निकालेंगे।
Elections for the post of the chairpersons and the vice chairpersons in the 5 districts of Jammu and Kashmir will be held on February 6, followed by the others. An exercise in all 20 districts will be completed before the February 20th, as the State Election Commissioner has overruled all objections, representations as devoid of any merit on the reservation of post of the chairperson for the district development councils and released final roster for the reserves seats, which was same as the drafted proposal issued on January 25th. Pakistan Army on Monday violated the ceasefire and shelled forward posts along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. The army retaliated befittingly to the Pakistani aggression. On Thursday, a 20-year-old man was injured in Pakistani shelling along the LOC in Shahpur sector of Poonch. Jammu and Kashmir saw over 5,400 instances of ceasefire violation by Pakistan along the LOC in 2020, the highest in the past 19 years. A total of 36 persons were killed and over 130 injured. Induction ceremony of the first batch of the Government Medical College Kathua was conducted on Monday at the new building of the college. The ceremony included apron wearing, stethoscope adoring, Hippocratic and cadaveric oath of the first-year MBBS students. In the coming days, the GMC Kathua is going to start class of the BSc Paramedical and BSc Nursing classes, and 50 students of AIIMS Vijaypur are also going to get their classes in GMC Kathua till the completion of the infrastructure. Jammu and Kashmir on Monday recorded 44 fresh coronavirus cases, raising its tally to 1,24,550, while no deaths due to the infection took place in the last 24 hours. Of the fresh cases, 8 were reported from the Jammu division and 36 from the Kashmir division of the Union Territory. Srinagar district recorded the highest of 15 cases, including 7 travellers. Number of active cases is 709 in the Union Territory, while 1,21,905 patients have recovered so far. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar today met scores of delegations and individuals at the Civil Secretariat. The delegations and individuals appraised the advisor of their issues and demands and sought an early resolution for the same. Advisor Bhatnagar listened to each of them patiently and, while responding to the issues and concerns of the delegations and individuals, assured them all their genuine issues and demands will be readdressed on priority. Principal Secretary, Skill Development Department Dr. Asghar Hassan Saman on Monday chaired a meeting with the senior officers and executing agencies to discuss the construction of the office complexes of JK Board of Technical Education at Srinagar and Jammu. Principal Secretary asked the concerned authorities to make coordinated efforts for the completion of these complexes with stipulated time frame. He asked them to make construction in the consonance with the functioning requirements of the board. He asked them to include every facility for physically challenged and elderlies along the students envisaged to visit the offices. A winter sports carnival organized by Indian Army in the district Ramban of Jammu and Kashmir concluded on February 1st. Children from all 12 villages of Mahubal region participated in a 2-day event. The participants were provided with safety equipment such as helmets, elbows, knee pads by the army. The event culminated with the prize distribution and refreshments. It is believed that such events will encourage the youth of the region. A huge success of the event will also promote the tourism potential of Ramban district in the future. The 24th Board of the Directors meeting of Jammu and Kashmir's Lake and Waterway Development Authority was held under the chairmanship of Principal Secretary Housing and Urban Development Department Dheeraj Gupta. While stressing on effective preservation of prestigious lake, the chairman dictated the authorities to work with zeal and dedications and give thrust on lake cleaning operations.